wire these rock lights kind of in a strategic location because I only have about 10 feet of wire. This is the Bluetooth module, and this is what connects the lights to the battery, and this is what controls the Bluetooth with the phone. This is the pod that it comes with, and it has 3 diodes. So that's the reason you have to use the wire that they provide. So we have to place it in a good position so that it can reach every wheel well on the truck, and we can wire a switch in, and we can have it function correctly with the switch and the phone. And yeah, this is right underneath the driver's seat. There is a grommet where I can run the wires. These wires, it should be able to reach every wheel from this point. And I'm thinking it's just gonna be easier if I just wire the switch up like down here or something. Because you can control the lights with your phone anyways. So I could just switch them on and leave them on and then turn them on and off with my phone. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our switch like right here. And then it will sit, it'll sit up in there, underneath there, in the side of this. So let's cut a hole in this thing. got these off Amazon for $39. I had a $20 gift certificate. They would be $59 without a gift certificate. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can pick these up. I was gonna give it a bad review at first because I had such a hard time getting the phone to hook to the lights, which the switch was not allowing enough power to get through for the Bluetooth to be able to work. And when you can't control them, they'll come on, and they'll come on a very dim green color and not bright at all. Then I pulled that switch out and wired it directly without the switch in there, and it allowed my phone to hook up to the Bluetooth. So I'm pretty sure it has to have a direct 12-volt connection for the Bluetooth to be able to work. So your battery's a little bit dead, or you hook it up to a battery that's slightly dead, the Bluetooth isn't gonna work and your phone's not gonna hook up to it. So you have to make sure that you're wired correctly. If you happen to buy these on Amazon and you're having problems with them, leave a comment down below about the problem that you have, and I'll try to help you through hooking them up. I figured it out, got my phone to hook up to it, and they are pretty bright. I already did some driving around with them on, and I could see people breaking their necks looking to see the lights on the truck. So it does look pretty cool, and I am happy with them. So if you want to pick up some for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can go find them on Amazon. And thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. See you on the next one. Peace.